Okay, here's a quick video of your BA Falcon. Looks like this. BA Falcon is misfiring or playing up. These are more than likely the suspect. These are the ignition coils, 6 of them along here. And you might see, I don't know if we can get it, there's a bit of a crack. And they've all got cracks in them. You can just see it there. We've got some new coils, some VDO coils off eBay. Comes with a bit of grease to go inside the plug cap there. And here's the new ones here. So we'll put that on. Had a bit of trouble working this out originally. We think the actual computer compensates for the misfire. Anyway, we've finally sussed it out and we'll test it out now.